Did you know there's an Italian bagpipe that sounds completely different from what you'd expect? The zampogna has been played in southern Italy for centuries, but it evolved in farm villages, not on battlefields like Scottish pipes. Here's what makes it special. While most bagpipes have one melody pipe, the zampogna often has two. This means players can create harmonies with themselves, playing two melodies at once instead of just one tune over background drones. You've probably heard it without realizing. Every Christmas, Zampagnari would walk from village to village during December, playing religious songs for the Nativity. The instrument became the sound of Italian Christmas traditions. But here's the part that surprises people. The zampogna didn't fade away because better instruments came along. It nearly disappeared in the 1900s when people left rural areas for cities. The music went quiet because the communities that kept it alive were breaking apart. Today, folk music revivals are bringing it back. The zampogna survived not by changing with the times, but by staying true to its roots.